Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the Django admin interface. This is enabled by default, and for example, if let's first run our server, so you can see what I'm talking about. So if you go to this URL, for example, like here, you'll see like there is an admin URL here. So if you go to that URL, admin, you will notice this like Django administration, username, and password, right? Right now we don't have like any admin, like any access to the administration. So we need to create a user or moderator or admin, whatever, right? In order to do that, let's go to our command line. Let's stop the server. Control C, right? And we need to run this command: python manage.py create super user, because we're creating an admin, right? You can, it tells you like what name you want to type. Just leave it like that. Email. Let me see. Just enter password, and now you can type your password. Enter password again. Boom. Super user created successfully. Okay. Yeah. Let's run that again. Okay, good. You don't need to reload this. Well, let's do it as well. Okay, our user is Byron/Lara. And now we can type a password. Boom. Yeah, this is the Janmin interface. Here you can see many stuff like log out, change your password, or anything. Here you have like authentication and authorization. Here you can create groups with users, right? Or permission, like for example, like this. You can create a group for just just updates. Like this group of people would update the post only, not only modify or delete. They would just only create them and update the post, not delete the post. Yeah, you can do that. Here you have the users. Now we just have the this is the one we just created. As an admin, you can just add one, then username, password, and everything. Yeah, and yeah, you can see you manage like the login and everything, like you know. Um, and here, as you can see, um, if you go to the groups, for example, like here, you can see that there are like permissions, right? Like specific permission, like admin can log an entry or whatever. You can choose from here like what permission that people can make. That will be the same with the users. When you create a user, for example, like if let's create a user like username, and let's call it like, yeah, password. I don't know. Boom. We just created one. As you can see here, you can add like first name, stuff like that. You can put as a staff status or like super user. So, or we can just add the, like when the groups to add the permission, like this person will just like we just work with the post. You can just choose the permission from here for the groups, or you can add it like individually, like this person will only add these type of things. As you can see here, we have our post category and post. This is our app and this is the model. This person can add categories, change category, or delete it if you want to. Like you can just add it like that, like that. Oops, not you. Let's go back. I think you can hold control. Oops. Yeah, command. You can hold command and like choose all the posts that you want the person to modify. Yeah, and let's move all of that. Yeah, as you can see, let's put that today. And probably you're wondering like, mm, that person can like I'll like modify all of that and but you cannot see the models here. Um, this is this is very interesting for the jam I mean like admin interface. But in order to in order to in order in order to add the models that we are modifying or we want to create, we need to activate them. In order to do that, you need to go to our post app and admin. This is the admin interface, right? We need to activate them or like register the models as it says here. Okay, first we need to import the models, of course. Let's import the models. Oh, they come from post that models. Import. Let's import the category, the post, tag, yeah, and post. Okay, what is this? Okay, so now we just type admin, comes from here, admin dot site dot register category. Boom. You can just copy and paste that. Same for tag and post. I think that you can just add it like that. Like, I don't know. Just leave it like that. Yeah, you can do that. Just yeah. Now let's take a look. But now we're going to log in with our new username that we just created. Oh, oh no, let me see. Yeah, I think we created that one and we forgot to add like a staff status. Let me see. Yeah, if you see like that person doesn't have access to the site, we need to add like designate whenever the user can log into this admin inside. Let's just add the staff status. Boom. Here we go. And as you can see here, we have like categories, posts, and everything, but we don't have the other stuff that we had in the admin mode. And yeah, interesting. We have the categories. Oh, um, this is the first category that we just created. Remember that is the technology. But what it says category the I mean like object one and not you know well this is the representation of the object, and in order to change that we need and make it more readable for humans, of course. We need to modify our models a little bit. Let's go to our models, and here below let's create a function. There will be a underscore str underscore. This is basically when you create a like a string and like a string construction or something like that. When you create your classes, right? And then this will be this will return self dot, and then you can just write title, save. As we are not modifying like any of that, like any of the fields, we are not like making any of the changes on the fields. We don't need to run like make migrations and migrate. We can just reload. Boom. Yeah, technology. If you will, would you if you were making changes to the fields, like for example, like adding like something here, you will need to run like make migrations, like Python manage dot py make migration, migrate, and everything. Yeah. Um. Yeah. We can also make change some of the attributes of these models, like the name, for example, um, for example, like the like categories. It's not quite right, right? It's not a plural. Let's fix that. Here, let's create oops, class meta class, right? Oops, yep. And then here per birth name it will be category. That's for the singular. Now for the plural, categories. Save. Boom. As you can see, yeah, works great. Yeah. Okay. Now let's create a post. Boom. We can create a post now. It has all of our like fields. Let's start. I don't know. Give me a title like our hello. This is our first. Oh, as you can see here, our Slack is not working properly. Um, let's fix that. All right, let's fix that. Let's go to admin. Oops. Okay. First, let's create a class here. So there in the documentation If you go to the Django documentation, you can I think the Django sign, like, let me see, let me find that slot. Yes, here. That's why the documentation is very important. It will be your best friend. So in the admin here, it tells you a little bit, I mean, like, what we want to work. We want to do this because we want to pre-populate the slug field with the title, right? And we need to do this. You can read more of that so you can understand more. And as it says here, like, pre-populated field doesn't have like date, time, and field. Um it's just the titles, like char fields, right? Oops, I just closed that. Um, um, yeah. I just why did I open Chrome? Anyway, okay, we are in the admin. Okay, okay, here we are, right? So, okay, let's start. Um, Django, and then slug. We're in the admin side, right? Let's find. Okay, here we go. Okay, first we need to create a class with the admin mode, and I pass these pre-populated fields, looks like that. We can we can just copy and paste that, right? Let's copy that, paste it, boom, boom. Here we go. Let's do before first for our post. Let's copy that. Our category first, right? Boom. Um, for our tag and for our this is for our tag. This is for our post. Boom. Okay, good. I think that we have everything. It should work now. What was that? Okay, post. Let's create one. Hello, this is our first. No, it's not working. Hehe. You know why it's not working? Because we need to pass all of these like this admin class that we created. We need to pass it like here to each one. It's to the category. Oh yeah, that's why you need to create individual for this one, so you can, when you create this personalized admin, you can pass the class here. And post admin. Here we go. Let's reload. Post, and yeah, here we can just add a post. Hello, yes. As you can see, lowercase everything in it. Yeah. Hello, this is our first post. Ooh, awesome. Um, let's give it a date. Let's give it a picture. Um, content. Like, I don't know. Let's have a. Let's put some random test there. Yes. Have like some. Let's copy all of that. Anonymous. And even from here, you can create like categories. If you click here, you will see that you can create categories. A new one. We don't have any tags. Well, let's type like tag. Save. Oh. Um. Working. Woohoo. Yeah, as you can see, we don't have like. We need to change that. Oof. Oh, we need a picture. Um. Um. Oh yeah, we need a picture. I don't want to. I don't want to upload a picture now. Let's what? Guess what? Let's modify our models. This probably not a. This is probably not the best idea. Like not adding a picture. But let's stop this. But let's say that a person like me doesn't have a picture right now. We don't want to put a picture. We can pass like picture blank true null true, right? Save. Now that we modify our picture field, um, we need to like run these commands like make migrations and migrate. Boom, here we go. Now let's run our server. Yes, let's create another one. Hello. Oh yeah, it's just this draft because we're not finished with this. Now, technology. Yeah, bunch of tests, anonymous. Let's just choose the two tags that we have. Boom, we just created our first post. Now let's fix all of our models. Let's put we can just copy this and put it on our tag and yeah. Tag tags. Yes. Um let's put post. Right. Stick with the name. Post. Save. Boom. Yes. Um you can customize your admin interface a little bit here. If you go to documentation, like you can just you can see you can have like different stuff like ordering and everything. If you want to put let's for example let's like our post um let's, for example like make a filter. So if you make like a think, yeah, I think it's like leads filter. I think so, yeah. Like filter. Yeah. Yes, as you can see here. Yeah, they even post a picture. You can see like, what are you doing? Yeah, let's do that. Let's put this filter. Okay, this filter will be. Oh yeah, that's how you do it with. Yeah. Let's organize that by status. What else? Like task, tagged. You can just put whatever like field you want. I think there is one called display. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put display. I don't know. Display, and then like here we want the title. We want the publication date. Oops, and we want the category, and we want the author. Save. Post. Boom. Yeah, this is the display. As we see, like as we saw, like we have the title, the date, the category, and created by here. Yeah, so it's yeah, it makes it better for humans to read. Like, oh, this post was created in this date, in this category, and created by this person. You can also have a filter for person if you want to. Yeah, this is a good way to make it. Yeah, it's very simple and make things organized. As I say, if you want to know more about the admin interface and how you can customize all of that, you just need to come here to the documentation. You will have everything here in the documentation. Just use the search here, like admin. You can see like all you can do with admin. Yeah, you can just go to the Django project right here. Just type Django project. Yeah, please press a like button if you like or found this video useful, or if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.